It's often said that XK120s just aren't suitable for taller drivers because of the legroom. And although this is true in standard guise, here at Twyford Moors we've come up with a solution to fit taller drivers into XK120s. This upgrade is also suitable for XK140s and XK150s, and it also improves your braking performance. What's not to like? Let's get into it. So the space issue in the XK120 is actually worse on the Roadster. This is a drop head here, we'll be showing you a Roadster later. The issue essentially is you've got the batteries at the back, which pushes you forward and limits how far back you can get the seat. And when they designed the car, the bulkhead fundamentally wasn't far enough forward for taller drivers. Now in periods, some pretty tall drivers did manage to squeeze themselves in, but I imagine they weren't very comfortable. Now, I'm not the best person in the world to demonstrate this. I'm 5'8", 5'9", and can drive an XK120 fairly easily. I think flexibility is also a factor in how easy you fit into an XK120. But I'm going to swing myself around and it should illustrate the point. As you come round, you've got to slide your knee under the wheel and then you come round. And I've got this steering wheel all the way out and my knees are almost on it to the extent that my hands will hit it. The pedals pivot through the chassis down underneath on long arms that come up, which means that you need a decent amount of space between where the bulkhead is and the pedals. Our solution to create more room is to fit a more modern pedal box, which fundamentally gets you further forward straight away because they pivot on the floor. And then that also allows us to extend the footwell area to give much more legroom. When we do this, we cut out the bulkhead area, position the new pedals, and then get the owner to sit in the car. And then we can move them backwards and forwards to get them in just the right spot to make the driver comfortable. Let's go and have a look in the workshop at a pedal box conversion we're doing downstairs. So here we have some work in progress. This is an XK120 Roadster that we're currently fitting a pedal box to. I'd love to gesture to it, but it's a bit tight in here. What we've done here is we've trial fitted the pedal setup for the owner. He's come in and sat in it and we've positioned it. And now we've started to fabricate the new bulkhead around the pedals, which gets you significantly more legroom. This varies depending on the legroom the owner requires, so I can't give you a definitive figure. Please get in touch to have a chat about your needs. Once we've got all this fabricated off, we'll take the pedals back out and get all this painted, and then we'll plumb everything in. So we'll head over to another ramp now and I can show you all the hydraulics being plumbed in and the advantages to this system over the standard XK braking system. So here we are, next step along on the process of a pedal box conversion. This car has had the bulkhead painted and has now had the pedal system refitted, and we're plumbing in the hydraulics. The big advantage to the hydraulics on this system is that it provides a hydraulic clutch to the XK120 and XK140, which didn't have them before, bring them up to XK150 standard. And it also gives you dual circuit braking, which is a safety feature, meaning if your rear brakes failed, your front would still work, or vice versa, but also gives you better response, more progressive and firmer braking, and more power, obviously, and who doesn't want more power? So we'll show you a shot now of the new master cylinder setup on the other side of the bulkhead, which has also been painted. And then we're going to head over to a finished car. I'll sit in it and show you the improvements. So here we have the finished product in an XK120 Roadster. Pedal box is in there. You may not be able to see it in this shot because the pedals have been moved so much further away. But I can now swing myself around quite comfortably. And if anything, with this bucket seat fitted, I've got a little bit too much room. This steering wheel, this is all set up for the owner of the car. The steering wheel's a little bit far away. I'd probably bring it towards me. But yeah, just loads more room. And the combination of the pedal box with the bucket seat and a slightly smaller steering wheel, which works very well with our power steering system, really makes these a very comfortable and ergonomic car. And we've fitted drivers who are well over 6 foot. I think the tallest guy we ever fitted was kind of 6'5", 6'6" in a 120. So there's a lot that can be done. The addition of the dual braking system makes them safer and nicer to drive in terms of braking. Hydraulic clutch is an improvement. Also, the positioning of the pedals is more of a motorsport setup, so it's easier to heel and toe and really get the most out of what is a high-performance car. I hope you found this interesting. If you're interested in this upgrade or any other upgrades we do, please visit our website or get in touch. thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one.